Have you ever wondered how game developers create realistic character animations without expensive motion capture suits? What if you could do the same using just a simple video? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Plask AI step by step, from creating your account to exporting professional 3D animations. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your first AI motion capture animation in just a few minutes. Plask AI is an AI-powered motion capture platform that converts ordinary videos into professional 3D character animations. Instead of using expensive sensors or mocap suits, Plask analyzes your video and extracts realistic body movements that can be applied to 3D characters. It's widely used by game developers, animators, VFX artists, and content creators. First, open the Plask AI website and click Get Started, or Sign Up. Create your account using your Google account or email. Once you've logged in, you'll enter the main dashboard where you can create a new animation project. Click Import Video and upload a clear full-body video in a supported format like MP4 or MOV. For the best results, record in good lighting with your entire body visible and avoid camera shake. After the upload finishes, Plask AI automatically analyzes the video and extracts your body movement using AI motion capture. Once processing is complete, you'll see the animation inside the editor. Next, import your own 3D character or use one of the available sample characters. Simply apply the captured motion to your character, preview the animation, and make adjustments if needed. You can refine the motion using editing tools to smooth movements or correct foot sliding. When everything looks good, click Export and download your animation in formats like FBX or BVH, which work perfectly with this Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, Maya, and other professional 3D software. Plask AI offers a free plan so you can test its AI motion capture before upgrading. To get the best animation quality, always use a high resolution video, keep the camera stable, wear clothing that clearly shows your body movement, and avoid objects blocking your arms or legs. Better input footage always produces better AI results. And that's how easy it is to use Plask AI. In just a few simple steps, you can transform a regular video into a professional 3D animation without expensive motion capture equipment. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more AI tutorials every week. My personal opinion, Plask AI is one of the easiest AI motion capture tools for beginners because it combines powerful tracking with a simple browser-based workflow.